Ready to take your crypto strategy to the next level in 2025? Forget the buzzwords. What you really need are tools that deliver. That's where CoinSpire comes in. This advanced, AI-powered trading platform is built for results, not guesswork. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, CoinSpire gives you a real-time edge, around the clock. Before we dive into the details, here's a quick heads up. Always use the official CoinSpire link in the description below. It's your secure access point, and registering through it unlocks a special bonus offer. The Canadian crypto market never slows down. It's fast-paced and full of surprises. Timing is everything. A single moment can mean the difference between gains and losses. That's why CoinSpire exists. It's more than a tool. It's your smart trading co-pilot. Powered by cutting-edge AI, it analyzes live market conditions, follows whale activity, reacts to news events, and executes trades with precision, all within milliseconds. Think of it as having a pro trader on your team 24/7, without the human errors. The best part? You don't need to be a market analyst or spend hours glued to charts. CoinSpire runs in the background, fully automated, data-driven, and efficient, so you can go about your day while your trading strategy is handled intelligently. On the security front, CoinSpire has you covered. It connects only with top-tier exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, offering strong liquidity, competitive pricing, and bank-level protection. Your funds remain fully under your control. You can withdraw anytime, tweak your risk level, and test everything in a no-risk demo mode before going live. Whether you're building your first portfolio or scaling larger investments, CoinSpire adjusts to your goals. Thousands of Canadian users already rely on it, and with good reason. The results? Steady returns powered by smart, AI-driven trading. Important reminder, as CoinSpire becomes more popular, fake sites are starting to show up. To stay safe, only use the official link below. Still have questions? Sign up today. Our support team is ready to assist you every step of the way. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest on crypto and AI trading across Canada. Thanks for watching. Trade wisely, stay sharp, and always stay one step ahead.